Today we are making simple vanilla butter cookies with a rich, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 330 grams of bread flour, 95 grams of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, add 225 grams of unsalted butter. Mix until smooth dough forms. Once the dough comes together and looks uniform, stop. Divide the dough into 2 portions and cling wrap and chill for 1 hour. Roll out and flatten it about 3 cm thick. Use a cutter of your choice and start cutting. When the rope becomes too short to cut cleanly, gather the remaining dough, shape it. Flatten slightly if needed, chill briefly, and continue slicing. Repeat until all dough is used. Now bake at 190 Celsius for about 15 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Enjoy!